Hi, I'm Imra, and I'm going to be reviewing how to log into StudentVUE and how to reset your password. I'll also be going over how to view important information like your class schedule and counselor. To log into StudentVUE, click on the link in the description of this video. Remember to bookmark this page.
You can also download the Synergy StudentVUE app for your phone. Links are in the description of this video.
Click I'm a student. To log in, simply input your username and password and hit login.
Remember to enter just your username, not the whole email address.
If you don't know your password, you'll need to reset it using the password reset portal. Open up a new tab in your web browser and go to portal.pps.net. Navigate to the Forgot Password link at the bottom of the page. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your username, answer your security questions, and choose a new password. Your password will need to have at least 16 characters, at least one capital letter, and one lowercase letter. If you see a message telling you that your challenge questions are not up to date, you will need to contact our data analyst, kcastle, whose email can be found in the description of this video. Once you have changed your password, you can go back to StudentVUE and input your new password to log in. To view your class schedule, click the fourth tab on the left-hand side of your home page labeled Class Schedule. If you notice any mistakes or aren't happy with your schedule, you can contact your counselor to make changes. Some students may have changed counselors. To find out which counselor you have, click on Course History. Click the blue button at the top of the page labeled Unofficial Transcript. When you click this button, it will download a PDF. When the file is finished downloading, open it, and your counselor will be listed on the top right.
Thanks for watching.